I could cradle you in Carolina, hold your hand in Georgia, but down in Louisiana you'll only curse my name. And summer's grabbing hold down here, thunder's at my window, dear, but I think I've surrendered all the same. And how I love this deep and dirty South, all her hunger, all the cuss words in her mouth. I may stumble toward salvation or sink into sin, and it's raining in New Orleans. You don't know where I've been. The mosquito wine of dredgers drifts up from my wicked river, that mile-wide myth snaking through the haze. We'll fan ourselves out on the porch as the sun blazes like a torch. We'll sip our cocktails, savor these dog days. And how I miss what I used to be. All my hunger, I was younger, I was free. A mile war worth fighting, or a hopeless one. And it's raining in New Orleans. You don't know what I've done. My letter's on its way to you, dog, but you're on my mind in the meantime. I'll listen to that driving rainfall, and oh, I recall what used to be mine. I'm losing form with every storm, with every squall, and it's raining in New Orleans. You don't know me at all. And it's raining